In this tutorial, you'll learn how to build a fully responsive CSS grid layout using HTML and CSS. Follow along step by step, and let's get started. Inside the body, create a div element. Set the class to container. Inside the container, create a div element. Set the class to item. Type 1. Copy the item element. Paste it 5 more times. Change the numbers to 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Make sure all 6 item elements are inside the container. Finally, close the container div. Start with the universal selector. Set the margin property. Type 0. Set the padding property. Type 0. Set the box sizing property. Type border box. Now target the body element. Set the font family property. Type System UI sans serif. Set the background property. Type midnight blue. Set the minimum height property. Type 100 viewport height. Set the display property. Type flex. Set the align items property. Type center. Set the justify content property. Type center. Set the padding property. Type 20 pixels. Now target the container class. Set the display property. Type grid. Set the grid template columns property. Type repeat. Open parenthesis. Type 3. Type 1 fr. Close parenthesis. Set the gap property. Type 20 pixels. Set the maximum width property. Type 800 pixels. Set the width property. Type 100%. Now target the item class. Set the background property. Type royal blue. Set the color property. Type white. Set the font size property. Type 30 pixels. Set the font weight property. Type bold. Set the padding property. Type 40 pixels. Set the text align property. Type center. Set the border radius property. Type 8 pixels. Now create a media query. Set the maximum width to 600 pixels. Inside the media query, target the container class. Set the grid template columns property. Type 1 fr. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed building this responsive CSS grid layout. Subscribe to DevFix for more HTML and CSS tutorials every week.